We at Lumon like working together as a team, and we like working together with our clients. Over the years, we have gathered a vast experience of design and build of balcony glazing systems and balcony facades, and we want to share that experience with the clients. Every project deserves attention. Requirements and needs vary a little bit, and to find the aesthetically, technically, and economically best solution in each case requires cooperation between different parties, so that all different aspects and viewpoints are covered in the process. We need to understand the end user, the people who live on the apartments. We need to understand the developer who has a building project, an investment. We need to understand the construction company who are building it all up, and the architect who has a vision, and the engineers who have certain requirements. Therefore, we have built a team with different expertise to be as good as we can in the communication between all different parties and for the better understanding. We like to be proud of what we do. Our biggest motivation as a team is to accomplish projects that are well designed and well installed, regardless the size of it. The thought of a person or a family enjoying the end product gives us great satisfaction, and therefore we love our job.